welcome to our Live Good Business presentation, The Membership That Pays. So, for a lot of us, maybe we are not used to have this kind of membership that generates income. But good thing for us because Live Good give us this chance, no, to have an amazing opportunity that we gonna join in a club membership wherein we avail the products at a very close to factory price and we can make a profit out of it. So before I go into explanation, allow me to give a quick introduction about myself. I'm Vilma Sabulao. I'm, as Coach Vic said, I'm one of the diamond leader here in the Philippines in Live Good, and I'm the first diamond lady who become diamond in Live Good Philippines, and the fifth diamond also in Live Good. So by profession, I am an accountant. I've been into practice for 13 years. I'm a solo mom of 5 kids. I have my twins, and they are the compelling reason why I've been into network marketing. The salary of an accountant or an employee here in the Philippines is not comparable in other countries, no? So it's really hard to meet income and expense, and that's why I prayed so hard. And true enough, God leads me into network marketing industry, and because of that, I was able to bring my children to college, and all of them are graduates already. And I am now even a grandmother of 4. So I've been a top achiever in three international companies, including Live Good. And by the way, I've been in this industry for already 18 years. And this is the industry that really changed the life of our family and changed the direction of our family. Okay. So yeah, it has been said that I become the first diamond in Live Good, the fifth diamond in the Philippines. And I have this community. We have this community which is called Live Good Soaring Eagles International. So the purpose of this community is really to raise faith-driven leaders who are called to soar, no? And empowered by wellness. So we are here because all of us, no? We want to become healthy because health is the greatest wealth. And we are anchored in purpose. We are not doing this just for money alone, and equipped to duplicate abundance across nations. So we are allowing ourselves to become a channel of blessings to a lot of people, not only in the Philippines, and in fact in over the world, no? Because Live Good, by the way, is present in 200 plus countries. So I'm a happy mom, a grandmom, and a coach and a mentor. So how did I discover Live Good? So last February 2023, when my 10-year company that we've been together with Coach Vic and other of the Diamonds, Coach Charlene Caparoso and Engineer Caparoso. We've been there for 10 years, and suddenly the owner sold it to other owners, okay? And then that company was closed, and we are all sad, malungkot na malungkot talaga kami. And I prayed so hard for that particular morning. That was February 10 of 2023, when the shutdown in the Philippine branch was announced by that company. And a lot of us are very sad. Even Coach Vic was saying, Coach, we're not yet done. We're not yet over until it's finally over. And for that particular morning, I really prayed so hard and said, Lord, if you close one door, you got to open another window. Just allow me to sleep for this moment and relax and guide me wherever I need to go. And to be honest, at that time, I was already planning to retire. I'm planning to retire network marketing industry, but the direction of the Lord for me is really to pursue network marketing. And the question there is, what network marketing? And true enough, when I woke up, I prayed Jeremiah 29:11 that says that, for I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you, the plans to give you hope in a future. And I claimed that. And I said, Lord, I claim this promise and allow me to rest for now, because I had been a sleepless night for almost 2 weeks. And God allowed me to rest. I had 3 sound, restful sleep in that morning. And when I woke up, I've received this powerful landing page, which I want to share this to you guys because this is really the 5-minute video presentations that change everything, that excites me and makes me say yes, because I fall in love when I saw it at glance. Even if I'm not yet done watching the video, deep inside my heart, I said, yes, this is a dream company for me. And for you to know, guys, it's not only me who had the same feelings, because also with Coach Vic and the rest of my team, they just joined right away without any presentation. So, my dear Live Good family, to our guests, to our audience listening out there, I'm so proud to share to you the powerful landing page I joined right away, and my life changed, and yours can too.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Can you please give Live Good a round of applause? Okay, so were you excited? Did you fall in love with the video? That's exactly the video that I watched February 10. And first thing that I did in my life that I joined right away. I joined right away without exactly knowing how the business would run, because during that time, Live Good was only 2 months old. And to be exact, we are part of the pioneers, especially here in the Philippines. I joined Live Good when the company was just 2 months old. And in the Philippines, Philippine market was only a month old. And because of Live Good, I was able to regain my health and my energy. In fact, I'm turning 60-year-old next year in God's grace, but a lot of people don't believe that I'm one. I'm so flattered when they say that I'm just around early 40s. Wow. Nakakakilig po yun. Ang mga babae kinikilig po doon. So, I built smart income with a purpose. It helped others grow and rise. So this is really a mission-driven business. I develop a stronger leadership through Live Good. I live with peace, passion, and direction. So how many of you here wants that kind of an experience? And now let's go to the business. So may I ask you this, no? What if Netflix started with an affiliate program? I believe, guys, that a lot of us are we have this Netflix, and basically this is an industry that's gradually kills the blockbuster movies, because we used to watch movie last time, just like what Coach Vic did, that you have to go line up in the cinemas and buy a ticket and go inside the movie. Okay, and but this time around, we're already watching movies whatever we want at the comfort of our home. So now what if Netflix, which is now a booming industry, what about if they started with a program like referring a friend and we are getting paid? So what if it turns to be that way? Now we're in a subscriber of Netflix, all of us gonna be earning a monthly bonuses from the members that join from us. And take note, guys, Netflix right now got 302 million members. Wow, 302 million. So what would the opportunity look like if, say, for example, Netflix started with an affiliate program? However, it didn't turn to be that way. And aside from Netflix, there are a lot popular membership wherein same with Netflix, it's really a subscription that we pay every month or either 1 year or month yearly. That if we're gonna pay yearly, we save 2 months averagely. So like YouTube Pro, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, Disney, SNR, what else? And a lot more. Even Spotify, even the Zoom that we are using. So if we may notice, all of this popular membership got millions and millions of members already. So what does this statistics trying to show to us? It's telling us that this subscription industry is really a booming industry. It's already proven and tested. And that is why our company is just too brilliant. Because this popular membership, here is the game. We get the benefits out of subscribing. However, we are not being paid. And this Live Good came up with a club membership program that generates income. That's why it is called as Live Good, the membership that pays. So in this program, the members save a big amount of money. We save a big amount of money on our membership model. And aside from the savings, we are being paid in every time we refer a friend. So basically, we are the game changer. We are the pioneer in this kind of platform. And to exactly know who is Live Good, so Live Good is the membership that pays, a revolutionary company, a disruptor in the industry. Why we call it as a revolutionary? A revolutionary because this is a kind of industry that eliminates or remove all the difficulty in the traditional network marketing company. And basically, Live Good, we don't have here quota, no auto ship, no points monitoring, no forced buying of products. Imagine that. We are not obliged to buy products that we don't even want because we are just forced to buy products because of quotas. So here we only buy products at need. Whatever you need, whatever you want, that's only the kind of products that you are going to purchase. And the good thing is no more overpricing products because what we get here in Live Good are the products given to us close to factory price. A round of applause for Live Good, please. So again and again, this is a revolutionary company, a disruptor in the industry, because a lot of companies right now are looking at us and even they imitated us. They copy us. But of course, we are the pioneer. We are the game changer. I'm so proud to be an affiliate member of Live Good. Are you guys proud of being a pioneer and an affiliate member of Live Good? So the membership that pays, that's our company. We're in. We get to stay healthy with highly affordable and much quality supplements at almost factory price. We have this full funnel marketing system, tools and trainings. Everything is being provided for us. And a great advantage because this is a newly launched globally. We are open, by the way, in 200 plus countries. And a simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. And home-based business open in 200 plus countries. Can you imagine this? How amazing the technology operates right now. So we are here in the Philippines and the time check is around 8 o'clock. But we have our business partners, we have our clients or our prospects watching us from UK. Having here Mr. Brightman, it's an honor for us to have you here in the Zoom. We have our leader from our France in the name of Coach Lilia Probido. So, and everyone is far from a distance. Coach Vic is from Cebu City, and some of you guys are located in different places. So that is the advantage of this kind of program wherein we are doing this at the comfort of our home at the tip of our fingers. Wow, what an amazing opportunity. And Live Good was launched globally December 13 of 2022. So barely we are around 3 years. Okay? So, December 13 of 2022, right after the pandemic, okay? Which is business model of a wholesale club membership. So that's our company. And looking back a little bit of history, Live Good was inspired by Amazon. And we know, guys, that Amazon is one of the largest online store in the planet. And Amazon, they started 1995 and it started with an online bookseller. And then after 5 years, imagine this, after 5 years, they expanded their product lines and they go beyond books, videos, music, offering clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, and even magazine subscription. And right now, Live Good is, right now, Amazon is one of the largest online store in the planet. And they have millions and millions of subscribers, over 300 plus millions of members, including the Prime and the Ordinary members. So, because of this scenario, our CEO got inspired by the story of Amazon, and that's where Live Good was created because of the story of Amazon. So can you figure this out? Nafi-figure out ba natin that if Amazon right now got 300 plus million members, do you believe that that's also the future of Live Good? Because the advantage is our company has this program which it generates income. Palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good. If Amazon expanded into 300 plus millions, wherein the owner is only making money, but the members are only getting the benefits of the discounted price, yet with Live Good, we will be getting it at almost factory price, and we are even given the rewards. And like Amazon, Live Good products, by the way, we have already more than 50 products in the back office. More than 50 products in the back office. And wherein we started only more than 10 products when we started 3 years ago. And Live Good can add more products and services from other industries. Basically, we started from wellness and we already have this skincare. We will be starting with household products also, like toothpaste, and a lot more. And the fundraising is line up. We have already pets products, travels coming soon, finance, solar, crypto, AI, just name a few and a lot more. So this basically the product lines lined up with Live Good. And Live Good, based on what we saw, Live Good is now the next Amazon of social marketing. So what we are trying to show here is Live Good is not just a health and a wellness company. So what are we offering? Membership is the product that we promote. So what we are telling to people is to join in a wholesale club membership, because once we become a part or a member of this club membership program, the products that we will be buying will be given to us at almost close to factory price. So meaning to say, this program there is no required buying or selling of unwanted products and services. And this will become our one-stop online wholesale superstore. And remember, guys, our company is just 3-year-old, and basically right now, we have more than 50 product lines already in the back office. So are you amazed? Did you fall in love with what we heard about Live Good? Can we please give Live Good a round of applause, guys? Pwede bang palakpakan po natin ang ating pong company? So now, let me share you what do I love about Live Good? Bakit ko po minahal itong business na to? First and foremost, the people who runs the business is a big factor. The leadership of our co-founders, our CEO, it's my honor to introduce Sir Ben Glinsky. He is our chief executive officer with over 20 years of experience in owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplements. And by the way, guys, he has around 20 companies, and all of these are really very, very successful. And to give you a little bit background about himself, he is a former network marketer. He became very, very successful, and he have this one network marketing company that he sold it out because he doesn't buy already the idea of the old traditional network marketing company. And he opted to retire in this industry. However, the inclination of God for him is different, and he was redirected to come up with this Live Good, a company that is very revolutionary, the membership that pays. And his co-founders running this business, we have here, no? uh, Dr. Ryan Goodkins, he is the Director of Product Development. Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, the wife of Dr. Ryan Goodkins, the Director of Product Education. And Sir Nodar Kasan, the Director of Field Development. These four people were in Sir Ben Glinsky. He helps us to win. Okay? And Dr. Ryan Goodkins is the one formulating the products of Live Good. Okay? And Ma'am Lisa Goodkins, she's very, very visible every Monday together with the husband. We have this live Zoom every Monday night in the Philippine time. You please follow and search for Live Good, our business page. And everybody, every Monday, we have this thorough product knowledge, different products presentations by this couple, explaining to us the benefits of other products that we have. So they are really so passionate in educating us the benefit why we have to be healthy. As you can see, guys, no, they are walking the talk. Look at the arm. Look at the muscle of Ma'am Lisa Goodkins. How would you love to have that kind of body? Kaya pa ba ng powers natin yan? Nakikita nyo naman po yan. And the Director of Field Development, he is the one in charge in the network marketing side. And it says here that the true leadership creates true success. Can you please give a round of applause to our corporate team? Oh, I'm really so proud of this of these co-founders, our co-owners. And help me to read the mission of Live Good in silence, okay? So this is really a mission-driven statement, which is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So it's so simple. It says here that our purpose, our mission here is to be an educator, to help ourselves to become a blessing to others, wherein we are here to educate people to become healthy, to live an optimum healthy lifestyle that without spending a lot of money. Okay? So that's basically a strong mission statement, and it does not only refer to our body. It even helps us attain health in our also pocket, health in our financial aspects. So it's time to make a change. Okay, so it's really time to make a change that we are going to obtain being healthy. We have to become healthy na we don't need to spend a lot of money. Okay? So, let's continue. I hope, guys, na I am making sense. Okay, so according to Sir Nodar Kasan, our development director, he says that the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the pay plan can get rich are over. Yes, it's over already because the former company, the two international company that I've been with, no, based on my experience, these two companies are based in America. Okay, so one certain products we are buying it for over $100, right, Coach Vic? One single product, it's cost us 6,000 pesos in the Philippines, and my first company is almost 9,000 pesos in one box. But you will be surprised later on as we continue, as we talk about the products. It's really that's given to us at almost factory price. So the days of selling overpriced products is no more overpricing products. Okay, so why we are going to join Live Good? What is the basic reason why we're gonna join Live Good? Number one is for your health. So because here in Live Good, we get these top quality products at almost factory price. And number two, so you're gonna join us. Number one is, if your goal is to become healthy, then join Live Good. Be a member. But however, if you want also to increase or to have an extra income, why not join as an affiliate member for you to have this smart income? Why did we say that it's a smart income? Because we are doing this very affordable. It's so simple that we're gonna share, earn, and help others live better. So that's really a very smart move, okay? So those are just the two type of people that we are looking: people who wants to become healthy, and those people who are open for an income opportunities. And I would like to introduce to you the ever increasing product lines of Live Good. And by the way, right now we have more than 50 product lines in the back office. And wow, 50 product lines in the back office. And a lot of these products I haven't ordered yet, but I need to do so. So these are all made in United States of America. And when we say the products in America, these are quality products. And what makes it so amazing and so wonderful, these are certified by GMP. GMP means Good Manufacturing Practices. And in America, if your products is given a certification of GMP, meaning to say it passed through the scrutiny, or it passed through the standards of this entity. And what else? We have this USDA, means United States Department of Agriculture, certifying to us that the products are basically organic. And what else? The products are laboratory tested for its purity and potency. And not only that, we have this 100% money back guarantee given to us, no? Now you can return the product that you purchase in 90 days. If you don't feel good about the products, you have the options to return the empty bottle, you use it and return it to Live Good and tell them this product is not effective. And without any question, Live Good will give back the money to you with no questions asked. It is the very first time in my entire experience in network marketing industry that we have this very confident guarantee giving us the 100% money back guarantee. So a round of applause for Live Good. So, and what is important also, we buy only the products that we want, that we need. No purchase is necessary. So guys, no? So you can just navigate all the products of Live Good. Just click www.livegood.com and then check on the product sections, and then you can check it out, the benefits of these products. And on the bottom part, you can also see the comparison of Live Good products together with other competitor. And you can see there that we're going to be saving 75% or more compared to the other products in the industry. And what else? You can see also there the benefit, the reviews or the testimonies of the product users of Live Good products. You can just explore it and study by your own and find it out how powerful and amazing the products of Live Good are. So the next question here is, how do I order products? So it's so simple. You can either order as a consumer or as a member. So as a member, of course, as a consumer, of course, you pay retail low prices. So mababa po yung presyo because the baseline is almost factory price. And if you are going to join as a member, definitely you're gonna avail the products at a very low price. Okay? So now, how are you going to become a Live Good member? And by the way, guys, there are two reasons why you're gonna join Live Good. First one is to become a member. And to become a member, meaning to say that you are only interested in buying the products. You are only interested of becoming a product user. If your intention is just to use the product, you can just be a Live Good member. And all you have to do is register with your sponsor's link, the person who invited you, and you get to pay only $9.95. Wow, to become a Live Good member. And that's it. And then after that, you get to buy the product at almost factory price already. So that's the member price. And you have to stay active by paying your monthly subscription. And now you may ask, maybe, why am I going to pay $9.95 monthly a subscription? Always remember that this is a subscription model. Same thing like Costco, like Amazon, like Netflix, no? The most popular Netflix, that the moment the 1 month subscription expires, we can no longer watch the Netflix movies. Are you with me? So it's the same thing also with Live Good as a member. So that is why we are required to pay on a monthly basis, because this is a subscription model wherein we got to pay every month. And for us to know, we are already in a subscription world without us noticing it. Take a look on this. Think on this. Like the electricity, that's a subscription. Like the water bills, that's a subscription. Because if we are not going to pay for the monthly bills, the supply will be cut off. The electricity supply will also be cut off. And the same thing also with Live Good, that you are going to pay on a monthly basis as a subscription. Are you getting on this? So guys, that's just how simple it is. To be a member, to be a user of products, all you have to do is just pay $9.95 as a member and pay that month after month after month for you to buy the products at almost factory price. So by becoming a member, we are saving up to 75% or even higher compared to other products in network marketing industries. And is it amazing? Yeah. And then the second part, of course, is for us to make an extraordinary income. Guys, here is my question to you. If there is an opportunity that could give you to make money, a passive income, a residual income of $2,000 or more, would you be interested to listen? Because we are entering into the last part of our presentation. So how to have this? Okay, guys, is so simple. We need to become a Live Good affiliates. A while ago, we talked about becoming a member, wherein our intention is to be a user of the products and avail the discounted price as members. And here we are facing into the part 2, which is becoming a Live Good affiliates, wherein we're gonna enjoy the compensation plan or the opportunity or the business attached to this subscription model. And how to become an affiliate member? Again and again, it's so simple. Register with your sponsor's link, meaning to say, go to the person who invited you this opportunity, and you got to pay only $40 as one-time affiliate sign-up fee. And of course, we got to pay $9.95 monthly, representing our subscription fee. Okay. So now the question is, what do we get out of $40? And by the way, we have options here. We can pay on a yearly membership. Okay, right away we can join at $140, meaning to say we join as an affiliate member and paid the subscription for 1 year. In doing this, we are saving 2 months free subscription. And by the way, congratulations to Mrs. Brightman. Okay, because I believe she paid a yearly subscription. A round of applause to you, ma'am. Okay, so, and a lot of our affiliates here also paid for an annual membership. Like in my case, I paid first $49.95, and then after a couple of days, I upgraded it and make it to an annual subscription. And I'm paying my subscription on a monthly basis, and I'm saving 2 months monthly subscription. I do recommend to for us to pay on an annual basis because it's we save time, and there might be a possibility that we could overlook to pay the subscription, and later on you will understand why it is very important to keep your account active once we discuss on the opportunity. And now the question is, what are the benefits if you got to choose to become an affiliate member? So we have this affiliation for life, meaning to say your membership never expires, and we will get the complete digital business suite. And what are this? We have 4 websites given to us with an amount of $40 only. We have this personalized website wherein you can see the real time of your business. You can check in what is happening in your business, the people signing up, also the income that you are getting in, and a lot of information in that back office. So, and we know that if we are going to ask for a website design, it would not only cost us $2,000. But in Live Good, we are only paying that for $40. Wow. And what else? We also have this retail site store, meaning to say we can market our Live Good products, our Live Good business in 200 plus countries. And if our clients order the products from our website, the product will be delivered right at the doorsteps of your client. Because, by the way, guys, we are drop shipping system. And what else? We have this powerful landing page. The landing page that I showed to you, 5 minutes video by our CEO, that a mere glance of it, when I saw it, I fall in love with it. And a lot of people are signing because only of that 5-minute powerful video by our CEO. And the last one, we also have this free health assessment report. That free health assessment report is a tool given to us by Live Good that is seemingly like a digital checkup. What you're gonna do is answer the 30 personalized questionnaires. There are 3 personalized questionnaires attached into it, and you got to answer all those. And after answering, there will be an email that will be sent to you by Dr. Ryan Goodkins, okay, an e-advice, electronic advice, parang e-checkup, okay, telling you that these are the products that you are going to take based on the answer that you give them. Okay, so it's really so powerful. I suggest everybody you should have that free health assessment report be answered. Please do it for you, because you get to know what are the necessary products that basically you need to start using with. Okay, so that's it. And the price comparison, allow me to show to you the Super Greens. This is just a few examples. Super Greens is only $19.95, but of course, no freight cost yet. These are all the price in the back office. We have to pay for the shipping cost. But if you are going to compare it with other competitor, the Organifi Greens is almost $70. That's 74% bigger or higher than Super Greens. And the Athletic Greens, it's almost $100. And I know these products also increased because of the inflation rates. Okay, so it's very obvious that the products that we have here in Live Good are a lot cheaper than other products in the network marketing industry. So that's it. And if you are going to check the price of the members as well as the retail price, you can say that we are saving a lot of money. Like, for example, the multivitamins. The retail price is $19.95 for multivitamins, and the member price is only $12.95. How much money do we save here? We are saving $7 for one particular products only. But what if you are not only buying one product with Live Good? You're still buying, like for example, the organic coffee. Because this organic coffee, this is the product, this is the coffee that I'm using every morning. So the member's price is $19.95. And the retail price is $34.95. And how much, guys, is the savings here? We are saving around $15 just for organic coffee alone. But remember, how much are we paying for the subscription? It's $9.95 only. Now the question is it worth it to subscribe with Live Good? Just by becoming a member alone. Meaning to say, we're just here to avail discounts on the products. We are making a big discounts because pretty sure I know that we are not going to buy one product alone. What about if you're gonna buy protein, the plant-based protein of Live Good? I love this. So it's $39.95 and the retail price is $49.95. We're saving $10 here. So, and a lot more. So I just give you some few product illustrations for you to discover that we are really in a bigger advantage choosing to be a subscriber of Live Good. Okay? So, what else? If you want to order products again and again, you just go to the shopping website and you can have that retail site store share into your prospects in different in 200 plus different countries. And by the way, we operates in a drop shipping method. What do we mean by this? Like Amazon, like Shopee, like Lazada, like Alibaba, or other online shopping store. You got to order from the dashboard, pay for it, and then the product will be delivered right at your doorsteps. And that's basically how we operate. And now, I would like to introduce to you this one of a powerful benefits, no, as a member that is given to us because company gave us this superpower promo. Okay, we call it international pack. And I do highly recommend to please order this international international pack, because out of these 6 amazing products, okay, this is given to us free shipping. Can you please type the word free shipping? And we are going to pay only for as low as $99.95 for these 6 wonderful products. Imagine, I mentioned a while ago, one products in our former company cost us $100 or even $200 in one item alone. But with Live Good, we are paying 6 amazing products for free shipping. I'm not going to explain to you all of this, but the bioactive multivitamins, it gives us the strength that we need. It fills in the gap that we are missing in the daily diets that we are taking in, because right now the foods are already depleted. So we all know, guys, that the food we intake is not complete in nutrients. There are so many reasons like pollutions, stress, the pesticides, the chemicals put into it, and what else? The preservatives, and a lot of factors. And that is why a lot of people right now are prone to illness because of lack of nutrients. And this complete multivitamins is so powerful. We also have super greens, okay, and we have super reds. Super reds, by the way, is very good for cardiovascular protection. And for you to know, 32% causes of illness is because causes of death is because of heart attack. because of cardiovascular illnesses. And that is why Super Reds is very powerful. It's also good for our proper blood circulation. It's good for even sexual health. Okay, sa mga kalalakihan dyan. For those couple, you can use this. I know that Coach Vic got a wonderful experience with Super Reds and together with Ate Letty. I cannot forget the sharing we had in the van last time. Those are wonderful memories. And this is also good for brain and cognitive functions. We also have vitamin D3K2. This is the sunlight in a bottle. So guys, I'm not going to explain thoroughly all the products, but most likely, I would like to share to you this number one, almost number one, most of the year, no? Factor 4 has been a consistent number one top selling products of Live Good. And sometimes it's ultra magnesium complex. And for tonight, I would like to explain thoroughly to you these two amazing products, the Factor 4. So what we are saying right now is we've talked about how amazing the company is, the owners. And now let's move into something more very, very important, which are the products. Okay? So, because I believe that strong businesses is always built on something real, something valuable, and something that people actually use. Okay? And that's what makes our opportunity so powerful, because we are not just sharing business. We are also sharing to people a better health options. Okay? And number one, allow me to share to you the Factor 4. So what is Factor 4? This is one of the most talked about products of Live Good. It has been consistent number one top selling products. And Factor 4 is a unique blend that is designed to support the overall wellness from the inside out. So what makes this product so powerful is that it combines the key ingredients that help supports the body a natural balance. And some of the key benefits people are excited because it includes, number one, supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Grabe, sa mga kinakain po natin ngayon, a lot of people are diabetic. And helping with metabolism, with energy balance. We become stronger. And supporting heart health, promoting better overall wellness. And the good thing is Factor 4 is one of the best anti-inflammatory products because this is 4-in-1. It has CoQ10, it has number one CoQ10, it has turmeric, it has garlic and fish oil, all in one single products. So now again, we are not making medical claims, but this is what we can say. Many people today are looking for ways to support a better health in a more natural and consistent way. And the good news is we have that here in Live Good. Can we please give Live Good a round of applause? Palakpakan nyo naman po yung Factor 4. That's our superstar. And the next superstar product we have is magnesium. So magnesium, this is a kind of content that a lot of people are lacking in our body. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a very important role wherein it has 300 bioenzymes or biochemical reactions, bioactions in functions in our body. But here's the reality. A lot of people are deficient without even realizing it. A lot of people doesn't know that they are lacking with magnesium. Hindi nila alam na kulang sila ng magnesium. So that is why when people are brought to hospital, the first product that the doctors give, you know what is that? It's nothing but magnesium. It gives us better health quality, better sleep quality, muscle relaxation and recovery. That's why you become stronger, reduce stress and improve mood, heart and bone health, energy productions, and a lot more. What I love with magnesium is the sound, restful, and uninterrupted sleep. So, if ever you've experienced things like difficulty in sleeping, muscle cramps, or feeling constantly tired and stressed, sometimes sometimes you could be asking your body na, I think I need magnesium support. Okay? So guys, nararamdaman ba natin, are we feeling those experience? Yung pagod tayo, cannot hardly sleep. What else? There are some muscle cramp. Those are indication that we are lacking in magnesium. Okay. So what makes the product so powerful, guys, is not on what they contain. It's the idea that health doesn't have to be complicated. Hindi natin kailangan maging komplikado ang magpaka-healthy. It's just so simple. All we need to do is just be consistent and have that kind of daily support. And when people feel better, when they sleep better, then we have more energy. And that's where we become more excited. Because for me, I have this amazing experience with all these products that at my age, I can perform well. I could say I feel younger, stronger at my age because I have this product with me. And that's when product becomes more than just a product, and it becomes a part of your lifestyle. Because for me, I could say, I cannot live a day without all these products. So a round of applause for the Live Good products. So ilan po dito sa atin yung na-excite na you want to use these products, not buying, but you want to use this for free? How many of you here wants to use these products for free? So I know a lot more. Sige nga, kung sino po dito sa inyo ang gusto ng products for free. And let me read one testimony here. According to Lily Nell, there are so many testimonials actually, but let's just read few. According to Lily Nell, he says that the Factor 4 Advanced formula is effective for me because the cyst on my armpit is gone. It's amazing and I couldn't believe, but it's true. So if you want to know more testimonies on the products, I do suggest, please go to the website of Live Good, explore on the products, and all the products at the bottom line, you can check the reviews of the different users who experienced the benefits of these products. Another one, last one, let me read this from Kendall. Since I started taking Super Greens, my energy levels have gone through the roof. My blood pressure is now stable and my fiber is great to stomach pain and no bloating. Thanks, Super Greens, and love you guys. And love you guys behind these products. So a round of applause to this amazing products that we have. So Coach Candy sees here, ayan, nag-benefit down siya, and also Gina Quezon. So I hope guys that you are excited with the products that we have in Live Good.